There's a guy on YouTube and Insta pulling in millions of views by doing what? Smashing luxury cars? But here's the twist. He's not smashing anything at all. Every single video is AI generated. And they're so good, they'll mess with your brain. In the best way possible. Imagine this. A Rolls-Royce parked peacefully. Then, boom! A boulder falls from the sky and destroys it. Flames, dust, debris flying. But none of it's real. It just looks insanely real. These videos? Short, wild, addictive. They grab you in 1 second, you blink, and it's over. Your brain goes, wait, what did I just see? So, you rewind. Watch again, and again. That's the viral formula they quote, re-engineered to explode online. Now here's the part that'll blow your mind. You can make these same videos with zero budget using free AI tools. No expensive software, just copy-paste prompts and creative energy. In this tutorial, we're going to break down these viral car destruction videos step by step. You'll learn how to recreate the chaos, design visuals, and build a content machine that prints views. And guess what? This formula works for any type of viral content, not just luxury car disasters. Before we jump in, here's a quick preview of what we're building together. If you're new here, hit like, tap subscribe, and buckle up because we're going full throttle into
Wait, before we move on, if you're dreaming of making real money with AI but don't know where to start, this is your chance. Grab my ebook, Online Business with AI, with 20 plus zero investment business models. Start your journey today. Links in the description. Don't let this opportunity slip away.
Step 1. Find the viral clip. Start by heading to the creator's Instagram. Scroll until you find a top-performing post. This one, nearly 200 million views. It's a Rolls-Royce just sitting there. Then, boom! A boulder crashes down and obliterates it. Straight up movie-level destruction. Let's grab that clip. You don't need fancy tools. Just Google Instagram Video Downloader. Click the first result, paste the link, hit download. Boom, you've got the video. Step 2. Capture the key frames. We need 3 screenshots to send into ChatGPT. First, pause the video just before the boulder hits. That's shot 1. If you're on Windows, press Windows-Shift-S to open the snipping tool. Select the frame and paste it directly into ChatGPT. No need to save it. Next, fast forward a few frames. Pause it right as the boulder smashes into the Rolls-Royce. That's your big action shot. Then, pause again right after the impact. Dust and debris everywhere. That's the 3rd shot. With these 3 frames and ChatGPT, we're ready to make magic. Step 3. Turn frames into prompts. Paste this prompt into ChatGPT. Please analyze these 3 images. Then generate a detailed image prompt to recreate the first image and a video prompt to animate that same image. Just like that, ChatGPT becomes your personal director. It gives you 1. An image prompt to rebuild the scene. 2. A video prompt to animate it. These prompts include everything: motion blur, lighting, camera angles, cinematic perfection. Now you're holding the blueprint to a viral masterpiece. Step 4. Generate the image with IDOG. Head to IDOG, one of the easiest and most powerful AI image tools out there. Sure, Pickleman works too, but IDOG hits hard. Paste the image prompt from ChatGPT into the text box. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16. Perfect for Reels, Shorts, TikTok. Click Generate. Wait a few seconds. You'll get 4 stunning AI images. Choose the one that pops. It should have the boulder in the AI, the car underneath background drama like workers or machines. This image is your scroll stopper. It screams, "Something insane is about to happen." Step 5. Animate the scene with the Google AI Studio. Now, let's bring it to life. Go to Google AI Studio and log in with your Gmail. Click the Video Gen tab. Upload the image you just generated. Then go back to ChatGPT, grab the video animation prompt, and paste it into the prompt box. Make sure to match the aspect ratio: 9:16 for vertical, 16:9 for horizontal. Click Generate, and boom! Within seconds, you get an 8-second animated video. The boulder falls, the camera moves, dust explodes. It looks like a Hollywood scene. You're not just making content, you're creating viral experiences. Now, how do you keep the content coming? Simple. Ask ChatGPT to do the thinking for you. Use this prompt. Give me 3 viral video concepts with detailed image and animation prompts like the last one. And just like that, you've got 3 more viral video ideas, each with instructions ready to copy and paste. Choose one, generate the image in IDOG or Pixelman. Upload it to Google AI Studio, paste in the animation prompt. Hit Generate. You're done. You're now a viral content machine. Bonus: add custom sound effects. Visuals are cool, but sound hooks emotion. Want a boulder crash to sound epic? Ask ChatGPT for a sound effect prompt tailored to your scene. Copy it. Go to 11 Labs, click Sound Effects, and paste the prompt. You'll get 5 custom options. Download the one that fits best. Add it to your video using any editor, sync the audio, and now you've got a fully loaded viral clip. That's it. You now have every tool to make AI-powered viral videos from scratch. Visuals? Check. Animation? Done. Sound? Locked in. And the best part? No filming, no editing, no stress, just pure creative power. On demand. If this helped you, smash that like button and subscribe, because next time I'll show you how to turn these viral videos into a 6-figure digital business. You don't want to